Bathroom ideas twice as nice. Sometimes you love your house but there's just one or two things here or there you wish you could change. Such was the case with this project. Our client had a gorgeous, spacious home in a fantastic neighborhood, but there was only one full bath to be shared by 3 kids. The client desperately wanted 2 full bathrooms, but an addition was out of the question and reducing the size of a bedroom or closet could do more harm than good. That's where a creative designer comes in handy. We were able to redesign the existing hall bathroom in a way that allowed us to create 1 hall bath and 1 private bath without sacrificing bedroom space. The existing hall bath had a combination shower, tub unit with a toilet on one side. We began by removing the existing fixtures and finishes in the bath and part of the existing hallway. We removed a linen closet and some other minor interior walls to make room for the new bathrooms. By taking full advantage of a small amount of hallway space, we were able to provide the homeowner with 2 full baths instead of 1. Each bath has tiled showers, a toilet and vanity. We were even able to provide a double vanity for the hall bath which is shared by 2 girls.